To quickly and conveniently close our workbooks in Excel, we can use the shortcut Ctrl+F4. And what that will do for us is it will close the workbook. So if I now execute the command Ctrl+F4, you can see that the workbook got closed, but the Excel application is still open. So to completely close down the Excel window, we can use Alt+F4. So if I now press Alt+F4, you can see that Excel also closes the application. And if we have done any changes in our document and then use Ctrl+F4, it will also ask us if we want to save our changes or not. And the same is for Alt+F4. And now, so to repeat, if we press Ctrl+F4 and don't save, the Excel application will still leave open. And if we again open our workbook and use Alt+F4, the whole Excel application will shut down.